Hello, come back again with Learning Thai with Tuk today. And yes, today we're going to talk to another word that I'm quite sure again that you ever used it before. That is the word called listen to. L-I-S-T-E-N space T-O-2. Listen to. Listen to in English, but in Thai we can say ฟัง 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 For example, I'm listening to the music. I listen to you. I'm listening to the music. ฉันกำลังฟังเพลง I'm listening to ฉันกำลังฟัง music เพลง I'm listening to music ฉันกำลังฟังเพลง or I listen to you. I listen to you ฉันฟังเธออยู่ I listen to you ฉันฟังคุณอยู่ I listen to you. Why you don't listen to me? That is a question that you always heard about it when somebody would like to complain something to you or want to talk to you and it seems like you have something else to do.That person may ask you, why you don't listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? ทำไมคุณไม่ฟังฉันเลย Why don't you listen to me? Why ทำไม don't you listen คุณไม่ฟัง to me ฉัน Why don't you listen to me? ทำไมคุณไม่ฟังฉันเลย No, I'm listening to you ไม่จริง I'm listening to you ฉันกำลังฟังคุณอยู่That is the way that the conversation in life, in daily life that you talk to someone. So one more time together with me. Listen to. It means in Thai, ฟัง 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 So thank you for listening to me for my video. And in case you have any question, let me know. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.